Hey, welcome back to my channel. Walker Exhaust 52572 exhaust pipe. Made from aluminized steel for durability. Walker Premium pipe is manufactured with precision benders and fixture check to ensure a precise fit for quick and easy installation. Manufactured from aluminized steel for durability. Manufactured with precision benders for easy installation. Designed to perform and fit like original equipment. Features OEM routings for hassle-free installation. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.